I don't think any of us want to just stand still in our practice. I mean, everything in nature is either growing or dying. And for sure, for us personally and professionally, we want to grow. So from a professional perspective, there's nothing better, in my humble opinion, than definitely getting started in the realm of implant-based surgical reconstruction as a general dentist, and even as a young specialist who may not have had the greatest training in your respective program of residency. Either way, what we'll share with you will be amazing protocols, very solid, comprehensive protocols that will allow you to appreciate the fact that we will demystify every single item for every protocol, step by step.